On sunrise weekends, according to Mental Health America, 7 million black people in the U.S. reported a mental illness just this past year, and that number is only continuing to increase. I found out the new initiatives being done in Tallahassee to help break the stigma and get the people the help they need.
I'm very, very prideful as a man.
Something Calvin Bryant says he learned at a young age.
I grew up in this environment where, you had to suppress your feelings and you just had to handle business.
Bryant was suffering with an untreated mental illness. Dr. Fran Close with the Mental Health Council of the Big Bend says Bryant's story is similar to many other men in the black community. According to the CDC, black men are 4 times more likely to commit suicide over black women. As a whole, 7 million black people in the U.S. reported a mental illness this past year, which is only increasing.
Just think about all of the things that black men are going through with racism, discrimination in our country, and just think for a second how that impacts the emotional man.
So where does the solution start? With the people already in their lives.
In the black community, as a black man, we go and we talk to our barbers kind of like our therapists. That can be a perfect opportunity to start that conversation and be that advocate to say, okay, well, I'm not the licensed therapist, but I can show you where to go to get help.
The Mental Health Council of the Big Bend, the City of Tallahassee, and Black Men's Health put on an event to teach local barbers, mentors, coaches, and businessmen what to do if someone they know needs help. Training starts with QPR certification, which stands for Question, Persuade, and Refer. It's a method for people who aren't trained counselors to help others struggling with suicidal thoughts.
Ask the question, which is a really difficult question, if the person is having thoughts of suicide, and then they're really just trying to persuade that person to live, persuade that person that they can get help, as well as refer that person to the appropriate service provider.
These folks are the most trusted frontline folks. Sometimes we only get one little window to help folks. If they're able to help them in the kind of short term and be able to guide them to some long-term help, then we're saving lives and helping people improve their lives.
Something Bryant wants to take with him as he learns the QPR training to be part of the change.
I had to put my pride aside. I had to start listening. I had to start closing my mouth and open up my ears so I can get the wisdom, so I can get the help so that I can be a better person.